Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPhone is updated and you know your passcode. This avoids interruptions. Once ready, open Settings and go directly to Photos to check privacy options or open Screen Time for guided restrictions. Make sure Face ID or Touch ID is set up because you will use biometric unlock for convenience. Begin the process now so you don't waste time with backups. Changing privacy controls is instant, but authentication is required to complete the lock setup. Next, enable content and privacy restrictions in Screen Time and toggle them on. This prevents changes without your Screen Time passcode. Once done, set Allowed Apps or disable Photos so the gallery requires authentication. If you prefer, create a hidden album in Photos and move sensitive images there, then require Face ID or passcode to access your device. This adds a second layer. Make sure to test unlocking right away so you know whether Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode. To finish, lock your iPhone and attempt to open the gallery to verify the new restriction or hidden album behavior. You should be prompted for Face ID or the Screen Time passcode. If something goes wrong, reboot the phone, revisit Screen Time settings, and confirm the correct passcode or biometrics are enabled. Finally, store your passcodes securely. If you forget the Screen Time code, you may need to reset settings. This troubleshooting step prevents being locked out of your own photos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.